Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Weakness to Express. Today we are going to add college section. So you have to go to add sections and click college, and you'll see how college section looks like this. And here you can select QMG, catalog, and then we can make it some settings here, and inside the video you can put some videos from here if you already have the videos. We didn't have one. We have some videos. It's even the trading account. So you see we have selected a video here. We can select it again, the video for your store is this. If it's not picking up, if it's not showing, then you can just click off there. If you ask to see why it's not uploading, then click exit here, go to settings. Inside the settings, you have to go to files. In here, you can upload that video that you want to use. Once you will upload from here, it will be showing inside the file. This will take time, so you can upload all of your relevant videos here. And then once it's uploaded, you can go back to your customizer, and inside there you can use it. You can also copy the link of your videos from here. Copy is uploaded. Now you can close this one, and you can go to customizer back inside there. From there you can go to college section. Click on video. Okay, actually we were selecting the cover image, so that's why it was not showing. Just like this, select one, and here we have all of the copies, the URL. So if it's not supported, you can use. Okay, we will use this link later, but you can use another video that's like, it was here previous, like this. So inside product, you can add, we will use the video later in all the section. So this way we were doing. The inside the product, you can select some products related to that you want to show. And inside the collection, you can add some collection. So in college section, you can add a product, a collection, and a video. Well, click on save. And once you will save it, you can preview your store like this. And now you see you have all these things. If you click on video, we will declare that is on YouTube for you. So here, how add college section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.